What's going on, guys? Coming back at you with another full restoration video on these top 3 ones. Pretty much these things are just super beat, so we're just gonna take care of it. These shoes, as of right now, they're going for like 700 bucks. He got these for 120, I want to say, and yeah, we're gonna make it look like $700 shoe again. All right, so we're gonna start off with the right shoe first. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put our shoe tree into the shoe. Alright, once we get our shoe tree in, we're gonna start stripping all the paint off the shoe, and we're gonna go and start sanding down and prepping the shoe to get it ready for paint. Alright guys, so we finished painting the uppers. Now we're going to start de-yellowing the midsoles. So first we're just going to tape off, which I already did, and then we're going to start laying down the cream. Alright guys, so we took the shoes out from de-yellowing. I had a nice 24-hour session. Overall, these came out really nice. Come take a look. Now we're gonna wipe off all the cream. I'm gonna give the midsoles another cleaning, and then we're gonna hop back up onto the top. Alright guys, so we finished cleaning up the soles, de-yellowing them, the uppers. Now we're gonna spray our clear coat just to protect our paint, and we should be done after that. Alright guys, that wraps it up for this full restoration on these top 3 ones. These things came out absolutely crazy. First we prepped the shoe. We ended up painting the whole entire uppers, decreased them, pretty much to 9 yards. And this is how they came out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you guys think. See you on the next one. Peace.